Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss add milk into dates and nuts. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest health tips. Picture this, you're craving something sweet, but you also want a healthy option. Well, get ready to be amazed because we have a mind-blowing combination for you. When you add milk to dates and nuts, you'll experience a taste sensation that'll leave you wanting more. But not only that, the benefits you'll reap from this delicious treat will leave you truly surprised. Let's start with dates. These little natural gems are not only incredibly sweet and delicious, but they're also packed with fiber, essential minerals, and vitamins. Dates have been consumed for centuries for their numerous health benefits, including improved digestion and increased energy levels. They're nature's very own energy booster. Now, let's talk about nuts. Whether you're a fan of almonds, walnuts, or cashews, nuts are powerhouses of nutrients. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Nuts have been shown to support heart health, aid in weight management, and boost brain function. They're like little brain snacks. Now, let's add the secret ingredient that takes this combination to a whole new level: milk. Milk not only adds a creamy and luscious texture to the mix, but it also brings along its own set of benefits. Milk is a great source of calcium, which is essential for healthy bones and teeth. It also contains protein, which helps repair and build muscle tissue. Plus, it's a fantastic source of hydration. So, what happens when we combine these three superstars? You get a rich, indulgent, and surprisingly healthy treat that will satisfy your sweet tooth and provide you with a boost of energy and essential nutrients. It's like a dessert that's good for you. Who knew healthy could taste this good? Now, let's dive into the simple steps of creating this delightful concoction. You ready? Here we go. Take a handful of dates and nuts of your choice and place them in a bowl. Pour in a generous amount of milk and let it mix for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to mingle and the dates to soften. Now, grab a spoon and dig in. As you take your first bite, you'll be blown away by the sweet, creamy, and nutty explosion of flavors in your mouth. It's like a party for your taste buds. You can enjoy this treat as a snack, a dessert, or even as a quick and nutritious breakfast. So, the next time you're craving something sweet, but you also want to nourish your body, remember this surprising combination: milk, dates, and nuts. If you enjoyed today's video and you're as excited about this delicious treat as we are, hit that like button and let us know in the comments below. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our incredible community. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.